Okay, guys, another problem. It's not that big, but I won't call it small either. So, see, now I'm at home. I parked and trying to get out of my seat, so I press park. And I can confirm, you might not be able to see, but I can confirm the charging port is closed, and you can see there is no notification. And when I open the gate, all right, I jump out. I close the gate like I normally would. Yeah, I go away. I close the car. Charging port opens and stays open. I cannot close it. Actually, I can for a brief second, like with some force, and then it opens again, and I cannot close it. And I have tried. Well, open. I have tried to close it internally from this control center. Like close charging port. Yeah, you can hear that click, but it opens again. That's why this screen pops up again. When I close it again, it opens up again. So it is a problem. So it is a quite big problem because last night I didn't know this, and I went to sleep while it was 180 miles of battery. But when I wake up, it is only 173. So there was 7 miles of range lost throughout the night, which is very abnormal. And I was very curious what happened. And when I came to the car in the morning, the charging port was open. So it hinted me that there is some electricity leakage through that because of charging port is open. And it was quite rainy last night. As you can see, it is rainy now. So yeah, see that charging port is still open, and I just close it. Yeah, close it, and it opens. So yeah, that's a problem. If you guys know a fix, let me know. But next, the week after, I will go to do service. Well, it's only the earliest slot I can get. Otherwise, I would want to rush it to the service center right now, but I have to wait. Yeah, so let me know if you know anything, and leave a like if you liked it, dislike if you don't like it. All right, see you guys next time.